What's up? Do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell, join the Dreams PS4 Amino. I'm Young Text YouTube and Dreams, Young Text on YouTube and Young Text on Twitch. Hit the bell, follow, subscribe, join the Dreams Amino, whatnot. This is how you can make mp3s out of your audio software. I'll have the link to the website in the description. And the reason why is because they have 5-second snippets there. Used to, you could upload audio, and I'm pretty sure in the future you'll be able to do some kind of thing with downloading it if they bring it back. So that'll all be in the description. For right now, all you do is press the share button, so it's just like making a recording, and then just record your footage. Do not broadcast your footage, record your footage. And then if you have a USB, you can transfer that data to a USB from your PS4 to a USB, to where then you can plug it into a computer, and then you'll have your MP4. It'll be an MP4. You can use a conversion software. If you're going to use an online one, make sure it's a website that does not give you a virus. Now for the most important tip of all. Before you even start converting, you'll want to mix and master everything. Mix and master everything. And again, you just press the share button, look at your controller, share button twice. That's how I'm recording this footage right here. What you'll want to do before you do that though, is you want to go to this, click this, then go to here, then go to master and mix. The reason why is because when you actually make an MP4 out of your track, it's really low in volume. Like, all this is going to sound good through your TV, but once you actually convert it, it's really, really low. So what you want to do is all the vocals, if it's vocals, you'll want to set them as vocals. So here's all my vocals, and this is a track that I made. I also made the beat. And then you'll either want to raise this up, mess with the EQ. So if you need to take away muddiness out of your voice, you lower this one and this one too somewhat. You don't want to lower it too much because it's taking all the volume out of that part of your voice. If it sounds too tinny, like you're talking into a telephone, you want to lower this a little bit, and maybe this one too a little bit. That's how the EQ works. It's the most important thing outside of compressor. Compressor can be used to make everything louder. So you just click this, and you take this to the left, I think, and then you heighten this. You can mess around with this, but essentially just do whatever I said just now for the compressor to get the rundown of how to use that quickly. Then what you want to do is you'll want to label all the ones. If it's vocals, you want to just press voice, so that way whenever you turn up the mix and master, it heightens all these at the same time because they're labeled as voice. Then if there's something that's like music, background music, or gaming music, you want to label those. So you want to click on whatever the beat is, label that as music or whatever. That way you can turn all this up before you actually press the share button twice, to where you get this recording. So that way, if your volume is too low whenever you're actually recording your footage, this is how you can make it louder to where you can hear it the way that you're trying to hear it, instead of it being too faint. So that's why whenever you're recording, your recordings are not loud. It's because you have to mix and master it. And that's how you mix and master. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, join the Dreams PS4 Amino. Follow me in Dreams. I'm Young Text YouTube and Dreams. Young Text on Twitch and YouTube. Check my channel playlist for individual tutorials on logic, sculpting, animation, music, and more if you guys need more help. And I guess if you guys want to, you could enjoy the track. I'm not sure how loud this is going to be, but going off of what I just said, usually you want to like turn this stuff up like pretty loud. I'm going to just put it at 53%. So that's that. And I'm not sure if there's anything that's red, so I'm just going to put everything at 53 because I'm not sure if there's anything else labeled a different label. And tell me what you guys think of the track. I entered this into a contest for Dreams, so
phony. And they don't know me. Yeah.
I'm falling, they think. I'm falling, they think. They say that this money is all in my brain. How I'ma get capped? How I'ma get capped? When this magic I spit did not come from a hat. My cameras don't flash, got chains that don't shine. Got grind on my mind and got hate on my side. Is it safe for me to wake right up to cake in heaven's gates? And I evolved from my dogs. Yeah, we lived a bit different than the rest of y'all. Yeah, we just hit them digits like phones on the wall. But who I'ma call? How am I safe? I can't even keep dry when I'm far from the rain. But it ain't far from the drain. I'm starving today. My girl a little Indian, so I don't know who to thank. Verses for days, heard it that way.